Happy Saturday, everybody. Traffic Tracker Crash Clark here with you. Is this the last weekend before you go back to school? Sorry to hear that. All right, GDOT's paving, and the work continues on 75 South from around the north and south loop down to Delk Road, 3 right lanes. It is nightly from 9 p.m. until 5 a.m. Another smaller stretch on 75 northbound from about Wade Green up to Hickory Grove, barely a half a mile. Again, nightly from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. That'll be a double lane closure. That's going to go until Tuesday, so that's actually going to impact our rides early in the morning. All right, here we go, GDOT. The work continues on 400, the restoration project, north and southbound from around the perimeter up to Northridge. The perimeter itself, they've got a brand new ramp. It's a temporary ramp on 285 for folks trying to make their way on and around 285 during all that construction, so be prepared. They do a lot of pacing at night as well. All right, your Braves and Dodgers going at it, SunTrust Park today, 7:10, I should say tonight, and then tomorrow at 1:35. We've got a lot happening around town, including ice cream! The 8th annual Atlanta Ice Cream Festival today and tomorrow at Piedmont Park. A lot of fun for the kids, live music, all kinds of fun stuff out there. Hey, they're going to still play some tennis. The BB&T Atlanta Open at Atlantic Station. They'll play that through tomorrow through Sunday. That's been going on all week long. And oh, rise up, baby. Your Atlanta Falcons will be doing a full pad practice at Mercedes-Benz Stadium tomorrow, high noon. And yes, Julio Jones will be there. All right, for a complete list of all your GDOT work zones and weekend events, just head on over to 11alive.com. Enjoy your Saturday.